Welcome to SHES Dental Academy. A big successful day for us. Today is 16th November 2025. Last night only we had the INICET MDS 2025 result which was declared, and I am happy to share we have 3 confirmed selections who are going to get the seat. One of which is Dr. Shraddha Gupta. She is ranked 14. And Shraddha, huge congratulations. Last
Thank
night
you
the
so
result
much.
came.
Yes,
I know
sir.
you guys were celebrating till late in the night, around 3 a.m., 4 a.m. But still you have made to the academy. That only speaks volumes of
Yes,
how much
sir.
you respect us.
Yes, sir.
So congratulations first, and tell us a little bit more about yourself.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shraddha Gupta. I have done my BDS from ESIC Dental College and Hospital Rohini. So I joined my academy from the very start of my internship, that is from October 2023. ESIC में तो सब लोग एस अचीवर्स ही करते हैं, यही सोच के हमने किया. आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर द डे. हमारा पूरा बैच मैम इनके घर सर के घर पे था. मैम ने हम सबको स्वीट्स खिलाए एंड इट वॉज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. मतलब बहुत अच्छा था. एंड आई फॉलोड अकेडमी थ्रू आउट. जैसा बताते थे मैंने सब कुछ वैसा ही किया है.
Shraddha was a part of the full course batch, again preparing for NEET MDS 2025. And yes, Shraddha has prepared very thoroughly, and पूरा जैसे हम बताते थे वैसे ही चलती थी. And Shraddha, what happened in NEET MDS 2025? Because that was our first exam जिसमें हमारा essay test होना था.
Yes,
वहाँ
sir.
पे क्या हुआ?
I got a all India rank of 1400.
So 1400 rank, and उसके बाद INI हुआ मई में. उसमें क्या rank आई
उसमें
थी?
I got 400 rank.
Yeah, so 1400 and 400 rank. अब Shraddha 1400 rank से coming to 14th rank, right? Ritika came from 1000 average rank to 10 rank. It's a 100 times jump. तो
Yes,
5-6 महीने में ऐसा तुमने क्या किया या हमने ऐसा क्या करा दिया?
First of all, just believing in myself, and this was my passion that I had to do it. मुझे करना ही था. I just followed ma'am and sir. मैंने बहुत सिंपल चीज़ें की, कुछ भी बहुत आउट ऑफ द वे जाके कुछ नहीं किया. जस्ट प्रीवियस ईयर्स, जस्ट SR पेपर्स. एंड एक चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगी, मैंने पर्स खरीदी तक नहीं है. सब लोग बोलते हैं मैंने, जैसे मैम ने बोला था कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं है, बस यहीं के अकेडमी के क्वेश्चन, सर की बुक, अकेडमी के क्वेश्चन, प्रीवियस ईयर एम्स, SR पेपर्स, यही सब किए हैं. इन्हीं सब का कॉन्स्टेंटली रिविजन किया है. एक रिविजन नोटबुक बनाई है, मिस्टेक नोटबुक बनाई है, रिवाइज किया है
हम
बार
इसके
बार.
डिटेल्स में श्रद्धा बाद में जाएंगे कि टेक्निकल्स क्या हैं.
यस.
अभी it is just an emotional interview. Last night only the result came. Today you are here. That is huge for us also, because that is what shows your belief. So Shraddha, 1400 rank in NEET, and वहाँ से लेके many of the students try to switch the academy, सोचते हैं दूसरी academy में जाके बहुत कुछ मिल जाएगा. But you still believed in us.
Yes, sir.
कि these are the best people for me.
यस सर.
ये तुम्हें motivation कहाँ से आई?
सर, क्योंकि आपका और मैम का बात करने का तरीका, द वे यू स्पीक टू अस, इट रियली शोज दैट यू एक्चुअली केयर कि हमारा सिलेक्शन होता है या नहीं होता है. तो दैट थिंग मैटर्ड अ लॉट. एंड सेकेंडली, करना तो हमें खुद ही है. अकेडमी जस्ट प्रोवाइड्स अ मतलब सपोर्ट सिस्टम. वी हैव टू डू इट ओनली. चाहे हम कुछ भी ज्वाइन करें. तो आई
At
जस्ट
the end of the day, the student gets selected. जो student का जो effort है उसको तो आप पीछे कर ही नहीं सकते हो. Academy only provides a stepping stone,
यस
a
सर.
path to success.
यस सर.
And you have to believe, no matter if you are with us, if you are with somebody else, you have to believe in the institution, you have to believe in the academy. And if you believe in them and you continue with them, success will come to you sooner or later. Jumping the ship कि ये मेरा भला करा देगा, वो मेरा भला करा देगा, at the end exam आपने देना है. Academy नहीं देगी, चाहे वो कोई भी हो. So you have to be prepared for
Yes,
that.
sir.
So Shraddha, you also came for our endo course in between.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, what was your emotion there? I mean, you found it good?
Yes,
You
sir,
found it useful?
absolutely. Very much, sir. I loved it. I love endo a lot, and that rotary course, मतलब मुझे सीखना ही था काफी टाइम से, and it was very nice.
Are you trying to indicate you are going to take endo if you get a chance?
Surely, sir. I love
Obviously, you should
endo.
not be revealing to everybody what you're going to take. So take it with a pinch of salt, okay? So Shraddha, huge congratulations. Whom all would you like to credit for your success, and a bit about your emotion last night when the result came?
So first of all, God, for giving me this moment to cherish my entire life. Then my family, my parents, my younger brother, who were always there with me, my extended family. Then, of course, the academy, ma'am and sir, their guidance throughout my journey, and my friends who always motivated me कि श्रद्धा तू कर सकती है, तुझे करना है. So they all, मतलब the most important people of my life, everybody was with me.
So Shraddha was the first one last night to tell us that she's got 14th rank, and we were like really happy for her and for ourselves. As Academy, we have proven again that ACE Achiever students are amongst the topmost in the country. I want to ask you, after the NEET result, which was not so good,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
and how did you find the mental strength to continue believing in yourself in the academy? It requires some mental effort.
Yes, sir, definitely.
So coming from 1400 rank, being from ESIC, we expect a double digit rank. You are at 1400, and suddenly the world seems to be 1 year away. How did you get that mental strength that I can do it in this November INA?
So after the result of NEET, for 15 days, I was completely broken. There were nights of anxiety, breakdowns, and crying. But I had to do it. I had no other option. मुझे करना ही था ये. So
Can you give some tips what people can follow? Some obviously many students are there who have not been clearing this
yes,
exam.
sir.
They have to continue for the journey ahead. Your tips for them?
First of all, you have to be passionate about it. अगर आप passionate हो कि आपको करना है, then there is only a way. Otherwise not. अगर आप सिर्फ देखा देखी में कर रहे हो, सब लोग कर रहे हैं, इसलिए करना है, then no. You have to think that you have to do. I was like मुझे करना ही है, मुझे करना ही है MDS. So that's why first of all that mental strength. Then sir,
Then you have to find the right guidance
yes,
as well.
sir,
The person who
definitely.
can show you the path. It could be anybody, your family member, your friends, your academy. It could be anybody. Somebody has to show you the path. We don't have Ritika in the frame. Ritika is also with us in the studio, and Ritika has been since 2021. She's changed the line. She's come back into it. I'll put the same question to you, Ritika. How did you find the mental strength despite not a very good NEET MDS 2025 result? How did you find the strength to keep on believing in yourself? What will be your message to people who really need this strength now?
I think my first thought was that I have to do it. I really wanted to do MDS, and I thought this is the last chance because I can't keep on giving exam every year. So there are many people who would tell you that dentistry में कोई future नहीं है, कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं है. But I feel कि if you really want to ace it, you will definitely can pave your own path and you can achieve it. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि हम डेंटिस्ट्री में कोई फ्यूचर नहीं होगा, कुछ ना कुछ आप कर ही लोगे if you really want it. And I think that thought really helped me. Plus prayers and meditation always works. I mean you get a stable mind with that, and at the end एक एग्जाम ही तो है, क्या हो गया अगर नहीं भी हुआ तो.
Exactly. You can
वही.
always ace it the next
हाँ.
time.
तो आप एक ट्राई करो, अच्छी मेहनत करो, and then results are in God's hand. And
So yes, definitely results are in God's hands, but it is our job to work. It is our job to show you the way. And if we all do our jobs properly, success is not a distant dream. Okay, success can be realized very soon. Maybe the next exam which is coming, you could be the one who will be standing here or in whichever academy you are along with your mentors. So thank you guys for making it here. Personally also, it is a big win and emotional day for me. Same it is for you and your family members. I wish you all the best for your future.
thank you.
And we'll continue their guidance till the time they get their selection seats. Okay, it is not the end of the journey with us. They will keep on following us, and they'll keep on taking mentorship from us even in their PG time. After their PG time, जब आपको SR course की ज़रूरत होगी तब भी आप हमारे पास आओगे. Thank you guys for coming here.
Thank you, sir.
Pleasure to have you.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.